Hello guys. So welcome to Data Science by Libraries Numpy Part 2. I am Dr. Ghaziabad, Associate Professor. CETL. So in previous session, we have discussed how you can open the Anaconda, uh, and after this, how you have checked that you have successfully installed the Numpy library or not. How you can import if you have not installed, then you have how you can install this particular library. After that, we have also discussed some basic programs of that particular library. So today we are continuing from that part. Previous session we have discussed how you can forming array and so on. Today we are going for the how you can just check the size and other options, say data types and so on. You have just import the Numpy and giving the alias SNP as in last class, and after that you can check forming the file C from numpy.array. Check the size of the array. So print option. Okay, so here as we have seen here, array 3 size that is 4. Is 4 element is there in array 3. That is first element is 4, second element is 6, third element is 8, and third one is 10. We can also print the array if we require. So that is the okay. Now we can check the shape of the array. Shape is again 4 is there. That is the array 3. Now our target is that we can check the data types in the array. So data types of the array required the commands of n dimensions. So we can print n dim. N dim is why? Because they are showing that n number of dimensions. N is for how many numbers? 1 dimension, 2, 3 dimensions. So n is showing the number, and dim that is for the dimensions. Similarly, if we are forming a new array, that is numpy or array, there 16, 2, 5, into the array 4. That if we are checking the size of this array, what of that, then print the size. So here 8 elements are there. Similarly, if we are checking the dimensions, we can form the array with 2 dimensions, 3 dimensions as well, because here if we are printing shape 4, similarly we can print number of dimensions array 4. Indeed, they are saying that in array 4, 8 elements are that their size with 8 elements, shape is 8 and number of dimensions is 1. If we have found number of dimensions more than 4, then like array 5 we are forming, then number of dimensions numpy in our array we are forming 2 dimensions, that is 5, 7. Next array we form array 6 by our array 3 dimensions. So array 5, that is a 2 dimensions. Array 6 3 dimensions. So we can check the number of dimensions for this when we apply with 5 size. We also find 5 dimensions. We can check. So when we are doing for the array 5, we are saying that is just 6 elements of that. 2, 5, 7. 3 elements, similarly 3 elements, 3, 6, 8. So 6 elements in array 5. And number of shapes, that is 2 cross 3 is 2 and in every 2 parts, and every part that are 3 elements. Similarly, we can check the number of dimensions. So 2 dimensions of that means 2 rows are that. So in shape they are showing 2 dimensions, number of dimensions 2 is there. If similarly we are checking for the array 6, then what happens for array 6 size print 6 say print array 6 then they are showing that in array 6 there are 9 elements of that. Size is 9 elements. 3 elements here, 3 elements here, and where is my pointer? Like 3, 2, 1 has 4, 5, 6, 5, 7, 9, 8 is there. So 9 elements of that. In array 6, their shape is a 1, 3, 3. How 1, 3, 3 is there? Like this. 13 attributes of that is 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 7, 9, 8 is there. So means 1 and a 3 that part, and everywhere there are 3 elements are there. Similarly, when we are checking the dimensions, number of dimensions for the array 6, they are showing that number of 3 dimensions. Similarly, 5, 6, 7. So that are means what we are checking here. We are just checking basically number of dimensions, size of the array, shape of the array, so how many elements of the array, then data types. Now we go for the data types. Now we can check the data types of the array. So array 5 D types is comma D used for the checking the data types. So array data 5, that is the integer value. Similarly, if we are reading for array 6, there is a integer value. Suppose that we are forming new array 7 with some float values or string values. Then Ajay, Mahesh, Ram. Okay, what else is in this particular? They are seeing after that we can print array 7. Okay, that are values. Here the string values are high. Now we can check the data types of the array data types. So array 7 data types. Our data types D type command D types. List. D types. Here they are providing the data types float, integer as well as which type of values we are considering for this array. Now we can change the size. We can also check convert the types of array in another form. Like we can change the array to list and so on. So D types array 7 from to list 7 dot as types type. With them. Next we can check adding in the array, deleting the elements. We can check the locations of the elements, like we can split the array into 3 parts and so on. We can copying the array like by using np dot copy. We can copying the array to new memory. Copy array 6. Here we are copying new array. They are copying the array. Now we can print new array array6 is automatically copied from to new array. New memory locations we can provide to array6 extent. That parts. Next time we will discuss how we can combine joining the array merging